there's not much to do.
Our stockfish. I'll be boiling this corn. I'll be making melon pepper soup. I'll be cooking ogbono soup. And this is our chicken. I'm using chicken. This is our onions, green pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper. This is our chicken breast, our fish, our spinach for the ogbono soup, and this is our vegetables. So this is the pepper soup spices that I will be using. This is the curry for my vegetables. This is my ginger powder and my black pepper. This is my crayfish. This is my palm oil. This is my salt for taste. And this is my seasoning cube. And this is my dried pepper that I will be using. And this is the oil I will be using for my stir fry. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome to Lucky Success TV, guys. If today is your first time for seeing my video, watching my video, you are welcome to Lucky Success TV. Please, before you go, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So guys, in today's video I will be sharing with you my batch cooking. So I'm cooking different kind of stuff today, like different kind of food. I'll be making ogbono soup and egusi pepper soup with my vegetable sauce for my side dish if I want to eat rice or any other stuff. So I'll be making that one as well. And please stay guys to the end of the video and also give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. So guys, I'll be boiling my chicken. I'll be using just chicken and fish for this my recipe, and I also love the taste of the chicken. It also make my food taste really nice. So I'll be using only chicken and fish for this my recipe. If you want to use any meat of your choice, any protein of your choice, you can also do that. If you want to use more meat or any stuff, you can also do that, but for me this is what I will be using. So in your soup you don't really need much ingredients on it. It's just your salt and your seasoning cube. That is it for your soup if you are preparing your soup. So for my pepper soup, later you'll be seeing what I'll be using, but this is for the ogbono soup, guys. So I will be making ogbono soup and egusi pepper soup. So stay tuned to the end of the guys and see the end of the video.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up all night.
So guys, the next step, I will just be roasting my stockfish and be adding to my boiled chicken and my boiled chicken for the ogbono and for the pepper soup. So the reason why I'll be adding this stockfish, guys, you know stockfish is very strong, so you have to boil it immediately. The way immediately you are boiling your meat, you have to put it inside so that it will soft and soak and be well cooked, so that while eating it you also enjoy it. So this is for my egusi pepper soup. I'll just be adding my seasoning cube, my salt, and my ginger powder. I'll be adding ginger to this my egusi ogbono, but I will not be adding my ginger to my ogbono soup, but I'll be adding it to my egusi soup.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care.
So guys, I just had my black pepper and I also had my crayfish, and also I'll be adding my chili pepper. I just want everything to like cook together while I boil my meat. Everything should just be inside the meat also before I will be adding my egusi later.
Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her.
So guys, my son was crying. He was really hungry, so I just decided to put the meat aside. The meat is not well cooked, but I just put it aside so that I would just quickly prepare indomie for my son because he was really hungry, crying and disturbing me. So I just quickly prepare the indomie. So the indomie just boiled indomie, just add some of my broccoli, carrots, onions to it, and while I also attend to him, guys.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her.
So guys, I will be blending my egusi and my ogbono while my son food is cooking. So once I'm done blending it, I'll just check the food and serve him his food, then I continue what I'm doing.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and
But it's hot, eh? Blow it, blow. Blow.
do nothing. I wish we were bold to
Hot,
just
hot.
fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay.
So guys, I will be putting my fish, my fresh fish, to my meat. My meat is almost ready, but I just want to put the fish so that I will have that flavor in the water. Later I will be bringing the fish out because I don't want the fish to scatter, whereby I will be cooking the soup. There will be a lot of bone and there will be no more fish in the soup, so I will just like take the fish out. Once I allow it to cook a little, just take it out. And I don't want bone to be in the soup because of my kids. They are also eating from the food. So to my egusi, I will just check and add my fish to that one. Even if this one, the fish scatter inside this one, I don't have problem because I'm the only person who is going to eat this one. Obi don't really like white egusi like that, but his favorite soup is ogbono. So this one I just make it because I'm craving for it. So I'll be adding my pepper soup spices to it, then be cooking it later on. Just keep watching, guys.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's hard How we always wait another day. How we watch things.
So the next step, guys, I will be adding my egusi. You saw me when I had water to it before. The water was not enough. I don't want the egusi to be too thick. I just want it light because it's a pepper soup. I don't want it to be too thick, so I just want it light. I just had my water and pour this my egusi, stir them together and allow them to cook. So just keep watching and see the end of it, guys. This egusi really tastes good. It tastes really nice. I enjoyed it with my stash later that day. So just keep watching. Please don't mind the noise around the video because my son is here with me. He don't want to leave me just with me here.
Just walk away. Let's live down by the water. Watch you come and go home. I wish we were both two like.
So guys, I will just be adding my oil to the boiled meat because I'm going to prepare my ogbono. Guys, this is the easiest way for me to make my ogbono soup. Just boil my meat. Once my meat is still cooking, like still on the fire, just add my palm oil to it, stir it together with the water, leave it for some minutes, and later on I'll be pouring my ogbono inside. Like guys, if you want to make your ogbono soup, there are so many ways for you to make ogbono soup. You can put palm oil inside the ogbono, put it in the plate or your plastic bag, add it to your meat while cooking to melt it, or you can put it on the plate and put it in the microwave to melt it, or you can also fry your ogbono, later pour your meat water, everything to it. So but this way, guys, is so easy for me to make my ogbono while I'm cooking like this, like bash cooking. I also have a lot of things doing. I'll just pour oil in my boiled meat, pour the ogbono inside, stir them until they are fully mixed. I not find like all those thick parts, or you understand if you also prepare ogbono. So I found out that the soup was too thick. Once I had my chili pepper and my crayfish to it, like your soup, you don't really need too much ingredients. So for me, this is, if you want to add more ingredients, you can do that, but for me, this is what I really like. I don't really need too much ingredients on my soup while eating it. It's just my seasoning cube, my salt, and chili pepper, crayfish, my stockfish, and that is it. I'm good to go for my soup. So I will be adding water to it because it was thick, and I had water to it, and also just stir them together, allow them to cook. Like right now, guys, you cannot cover your ogbono. You will just leave it to open, like open it till it is well cooked. So later on, I'll be adding my fish and my spinach. Once is 5 minutes for me to drop the ogbono soup, I'll be adding my fish and spinach together. Why? Because I've already cooked the fish, just to add it to it and let the ogbono, enter inside that flavor and everything. So I tasted, there was no lot of salt. I just only had pinch of salt. Like guys, the one seasoning cube that you saw me put for the beginning, like that I used to boil the meat, and the salt I had, that is what I'm using to cook it. I did not have any other more seasoning cube. But if you are a fan of more seasoning taste of like over sweet, you can also add any like type of seasoning cube you want. So at this point, my son was crying, and I find that he's done eating, he wants to sleep. So I just attend to my son, just take him and go and put him to bed to sleep, and while I come back cooking. So that is mother life for you. So guys, if you have been watching my video till this time, you have not subscribed, you have not give this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up and keep watching. Thank you, guys.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up. I'm not. think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like say.
So guys, I just put hot water in the fire to make my pounded yam. So Obi will soon be back from work. I just want to quickly make pounded yam for him in case if he comes back, his food is already ready to eat. And once I finish cooking the ogbono, I will be preparing my corn. I'll be boiling my corn. Keep watching, guys.
Away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that.
So guys, this corn is not like really fresh corn. You know, I bought it the other day. I'm cooking it. It's not really fresh corn, so I'll be adding just salt for taste while I will be making my pounded yam also.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home.
So guys, I will be making my vegetable right now. So while I allow the fried pan to dry, then I'll add my groundnut oil or oil. I'll add my oil to the pan and allow it to cook a little. Then I'll just put my chicken breast and put my seasoning cube, my ingredients that I'm going to use, the curry, the ginger, the black pepper, everything I'm going to use. I will just add it to it, then stir fry it for some minutes. While I stir fry it for some minutes, then I'll be adding my onions, then let it cook alongside with the meat for some minutes or so. Then I'll add my pepper, add my veggies, add everything to it, and then I will be done for that day. Like guys, it's really a bit stressful attending to kids, cooking and all that is kind of stressful, but also sometimes the word of stress, just prepare it, leave it in the fridge for some, like this of vegetables is not spending time. Highest 2 days is gone. The corn, that very day the corn will be finished. So this, except the soup, will last for like 2 or 3 weeks. So that is it.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on that. I think it's odd how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay with you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her.
So guys, you have so many ways to also make your vegetable stir fry. I've already made a video for that. Is my YouTube channel. You can also go through my videos and find it there, how you can also make your vegetable stir fry. You can also watch the video there, but this one is just another way that I'm doing it. This is kind of boiled one, because when I make that vegetable stir fry, Obi don't really like the corn flour I had to it, so I decided to change the method and just do it as boiled vegetable stir fry. And guys, he really enjoyed this one more than the one I have prepared severally for him. So I just find out that you can also do anything you like. If you are preparing your food, if you don't want to add much ingredients to it, you can also do that. Just the way you know you can enjoy it, you can prepare your food like that, and it will also come out great. It will come out good.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up on her. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away.
So guys, you saw me stirring, open, check, press, stirring, all those stuff. So I just want it to be well cooked. There will still be this crunching part, but I just want it to be cooked because of my kids, so that if they are eating it, they can also enjoy it. So anything I'm cooking, I also think of my kids also, so that they can also join me, because they eat almost everything that I eat also. So guys, I'm done cooking, so I'm just dishing the soup to the bowl. The soup I already go, don't mind this man. He's just playing with me. So I'll just put my pepper soup, all my food in the bowl, and later on I'll be putting them in the fridge and do my cleaning later on. So guys, I am done. I'm done cooking. So guys, if you have been watching to this time, you have not give this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my growing YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Although the video is not end yet, but just keep watching in case if I do not talk anymore, you just enjoy the video like that.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both.
So guys, we are done. So this is my pounded yam. We can use it to eat this or this. So this is my pepper soup, egusi soup. I can also use this soup to enjoy my rice, my starch, anything. I can use it to enjoy. This is my ogbono soup, and this is my vegetable stir fry or cook one with my chicken breast. And this is my boiled corn. Looks so yummy. So that is it for today's video, guys.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good.
So guys, if you are still watching to this time, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. So we have come to the end of the video. I just share with you my stash and my pepper soup, my stir fry. So thank you so much. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Goodbye.